Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube, the channel where we demonstrate some of the china which we are currently working our way through and listing on the website. And I must admit, I've got a bit of a soft spot for Copeland Spode Chinese rose because what fascinates people, what antique dealers and collectors actually have and use in their own houses. This is one of the first antique sets of china that we fell for and started using probably 20 or 30 years ago, and we've still got a good set of this on the go in the Vintage Farmhouse. Now these are coming through on the nice old RD numbers. Chinese rose was made by Spode over a long period of time. It's one of their long-running patterns. This is transfer printed, and then this is entirely hand coloured, and it's all on the old Chinese rose stamps there, as you can see, with the Copeland Spode block and the RD number 629599 Chinese rose. Also impress mark Copeland England there, and some other marks on this. Beautiful condition. I mean, quite often this is prone to damage around the rims, particularly in the green banding. They did make it later in porcelain with gilt banding, but this is the early antique version with the hand coloured transfer print. And just look at that handle. I think I'm going to take, just let me see if I can get that closer up and in more detail for you, because it's an absolute thing of beauty, that handle. It's like a pineapple shaped flower bud, individually picked out by the decorators in that two-tone colour of green and the magenta-y pink. But it's the Chinese rose design all around it, which really sings on this particular lid. And also on the base, because you'll quite often see these where the lids have gone into the bin following breakages or droppages, just being sold on their own. They all would have been originally supplied with a lid, but look at that decoration in the base for a serving tureen. Isn't that a thing of beauty? Lovely colour combination, a creamy off-white background glaze, and just look at the condition of this one, considering you're looking at a probably near antique piece. I think these are probably 1920s or 30s. They could be pre-First World War on those china marks, but just looking at the condition of them, they're so bright. I think they're probably just after that. Beautiful colour combinations. Again, just look at the detailing along this rim where they've picked out all that's hand coloured and is going to be individual on every single different branch. Absolutely gorgeous. Lovely things. Beautiful English earthenware, hand coloured, Copeland Spode, Chinese tree, 9-inch square lidded vegetable or serving tureen. Absolute beautiful piece of china work of art, and we've got two of them in identical condition. Neither of them have got an absolute date stamp on them, so it will be a date range that we work on the listing on the website. Do pop over to the website, find out all the details of these beautiful serving tureens. We'll pop a link in the description below which will aid you to get onto the Vintage and Antiques website, and do have a browse through on our Copeland Spode Chinese tree. We've got a whole box of this that we're working our way through and gradually adding to the website listings. Thanks for watching.